Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently in Cologne, Germany. I'm vlogging, could you keep it down? First, I will wipe myself. Ooh, bloody.
Guys be trying to play Marvel Rivals, but they're girls on their period. Boy, you worry about the wrong Scarlet Witch.
Now I will put it in myself like so, and go like this inside me. It's in.
Fanfan is the worst person to ever be in Germany. Yeah, I can't think of a single other bad person from Germany.
I can't even tell that I have a tampon inside me.
Guys be trying to play Marvel Rivals, but they got a girl pregnant in the hood. Boy, you worried about the wrong Black Widow.
That's not okay.
Okay, sorry.
You can't. Oh,
That's
you're getting
not-
banned. That wasn't funny.
That's not
That
okay.
wasn't funny,
You don't have
Doody.
to pass.
I think my fit might be a little too slutty today, but if I don't have my phone up, my belly is mostly covered, so it's a little less slutty.
I'm here with Bogur and I fucking hate him. Adult.
Oh, hey.
He's been doing that for the past 5 minutes waiting
Yellow
to
Bear,
get
put
ready
some sound effects.
It's literally been 10 minutes. He's been waiting to...
Yellow Bear, throw some sound effects on. Ashes to ashes.
Ashes to ash.
Dust to dust. If liquor don't kill us, pussy must.
If I was Albert Einstein, I would be arrested for being a pedophile.
No.
Wait, what the fuck is going on?
What are your thoughts about what just happened?
Esfand.
Yeah.
Israel.
Terracotta pie.
Palestine.
What the?
Our food has arrived. It's bacon, but it's hung. Call me Spanish bacon because I'm hung right now. Trans pizza. Damn, the woke mind virus has got Germany too. What is this?
I forgot the name because something Japanese.
Katsu Sando.
Not whoa.
Yeah, that's that Ching Chong knowledge.
What?
You're not allowed to laugh at that.
I didn't laugh at it.
Hey, Steffi, hit me up, why don't you? I got what you need.
Wait, I don't get it.
Because shoot, if someone said, hey, Wiener Steffi, I'm like, I will, you know? Steffi, Wiener.
Is this not the correct? It is. This is my hand. Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm getting sun molested. Call me the sun from Here Comes the Sun because I'm coming.
Dude, he's about to film a video, like he has to do an ad. Bogur came up with the great idea of filming Bogur and being like, oh, if you don't use the sunscreen, you turn into Doody. What if you do use sunscreen, then you turn into me? They wouldn't be happy with that, so we can't do that. But I thought I would at least tell the vlog because it would have been funny. No, Bogur, I'll pay. No. I got the bill. Don't worry, I got it. No, stop. Wait, you paid?
Yeah, I did.
What? I wanted to pay.
Really? I didn't.
Well, it's the thought that counts, right?
Sneak out. Yeah.
It's the thought that counts.
Look at this beautiful gay couple.
Should I tell the story to Jan and Briette
On your vlog?
If you want to.
They're gonna cut it out.
Yellow Bear's definitely gonna cut it out.
Yellow Bear won't cut it out.
Yellow Bear will cut this out.
Yellow
But go for it.
Can we have a 10-minute section?
of the fucking history of this guy.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not caring. I'm saying it's hot in Germany too. It is hot. I don't want to be a buzzkill and start complaining already, but it is hot and they don't have AC.
Dude, compared to Arizona, this is like the nicest weather ever.
I came from Asia,
Where in Asia?
China and Korea. It was
Okay.
so humid and it was so gross.
How's the weather out there right now?
It was so humid and so gross.
Is it like super hot?
Yes.
Yeah.
Christ, since 1863. I think he's been around for longer than that. Do they not like pasta or something? Please
You just gotta stay calm, stay calm.
Yep.
Yes. They know if you're freaking out. You just want to relax. Dude, it's gonna be okay. We just gotta relax. It's just a bee.
I think I'm.
I'm sorry. I actually
we can
fucking
play.
hate code names.
Why?
I don't know. I've always hated it.
Why? Because you don't speak English that well? Ni hao.
That wasn't that funny, dude. That was fucking hilarious.
What's happening? Is there a bug?
It's a bee again. It landed on the table. It's right in front of us. It's on your phone.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
There.
Bruh. No.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand here.
Dude.
Oh, it's on your tomatoes.
Get off the
He's getting fiber.
Germany? I kind of fuck with Germany.
I do fuck with you.
Yeah, I didn't like Germany is one of those places where It was never a place where I was like, oh, I really want to visit Germany.
Especially not in the 40s. Whoa, this lady kind of eats. Let me take a photo of you.
What do I do?
Yeah, you're killing. Yeah.
Dude.
Yo, we're on
Oh my god. Okay, here. Let's say there's horse, rabbit, frog.
Horse?
Yes. Horse, rabbit,
Horse.
frog.
Horse. Horse.
Like the fucking animal.
Oh, horse.
Horse, rabbit, frog,
Okay. Not like
chicken.
Man, this guy's calling me soy.
Oh, this isn't. Oh, I have oat milk, not soy. I actually got oat milk with my latte. Not soy milk.
Do you think at porn conventions they spell meet and greet with an A?
Hey guys, I put on a lip balm. I put on lip balm. Don't stand up in front of me fiddling with your waistband and then go,
you're
Dude,
Yeah,
this is actually crazy.
that's what I'm saying.
yeah.
This is some Assassin's Creed shit.
They started building it in 1248 and took 600 years to build or something.
600, bro.
Yeah.
Can you imagine working at something for 600 years? When you start it, you know you're not even gonna be alive to like see it finished.
1248 is just a crazy year to even think about.
It's like 1,000 years ago.
1248.
Something like that, yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah.
But
Guys,
let's
is
go.
Fanfan trolling about the staircase here?
I'm not.
You're saying we could go to the very top of this thing and stand outside and you're not willing to risk it right now?
I'm willing to risk it. I'm down to go. I'll just like take a little bit of.
We can take breaks.
Okay. Then I'm good.
Okay.
Yep.
Fuck me, that was crazy.
How? You're going so fast.
It's good shit.
Okay.
Good shit.
Oh my god, I'm like soaked. Wow. The breeze is nice, at least.
I'm not gonna get airlifted down, you idiots.
Damn, why is the mom so thick?
Don't
Like
compare my
little
hair to a
balls?
fucking scrotum.
No, you look much smoother. W Riz, Asian boys when they go to Thailand. What?
I said, do you say that to people with malaria? And he said he's never beat.
I've never played Elden Ring.
what? What? What?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What? Missed it.
It was 3 cars crashed into each other. Like, what's it called? The back
Collision.
zombies?
Yeah, they got
3
hit.
in a row. Wait, that's not
Yeah,
the
it's
word.
not called
What's
back.
the word? What's the word?
Rear ending.
Rear ending. Yes. Well, it kind of looked like car back
You're
shots.
right.
Like,
I need some water.
I'm sorry.
Oh, thank God.
I don't get it.
I want all the stores I go in to be Laden free.
What's
Thank God he's not in there.
Lattice Station? What are they, pregnant?
That is a good one.
Wait. Is Aiden Ross in there or what? Because it's Kick, but without
Don't
the
explain
C,
it.
like the other streaming sites.
Don't explain it.
Whoa, what?
What the fuck? Oh, I get it, bro. Look, you just have to read. Preises Trocken für ein Geinemenschen to finish. And if you look at the fine print, I'm verlich some dice and supersonic hard rock and assortment and some dice and supersonic rock hard and a base of it auf dem Gewicht de gern Körpers. I'm verlich Tom Tupen at the full Luft.
I see.
Yeah, no, I've been
Should've
saying
just
like
read.
I've been saying that.
I like this one,
That's cute.
and I like this one.
Okay.
Of course, she likes the fucking creature that can't stop eating.
Of course, you're a fucking.
What is he? What?
Of course, you're.
What are you hiding under that fucking oversized t-shirt? It's not a pandemic. It's actually nothing. Flat, bitch. Oh, your phone.
Nice.
There's a llama store. They're just selling llama stuff.
I want alpaca that.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Oh, you guys got a group. You got a 4 for 1. I'll take alpaca that. Can we kill this guy?
Oh my god! There's geese!
Geese.
They're so cute! They're on a date.
Why are you parasocialing the fucking geese?
No, they're dating. They're on a date. They're taking
2 boys.
Really?
And what's wrong with them if they were dating?
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Like, what the fuck?
Why can't they just be 2 boys?
That's other brothers.
No. Are we casting couching? Is that what we're doing? They're having the giggles right now, and I feel left out because I don't even know what they're laughing at.
Anything, you know, to succeed.
What?
Genuinely. Yeah. Like I was like,
I've always just been really open with myself.
Yes, same.
And
You know.
wanting to explore new things.
Yes, same.
And I feel like
you
I'm
just
finally
being a
ready to
dream?
take that next step.
I just turned 18 last week.
I'm sorry, the position has been filled.
She's so generous. She's amazing. She's so smart. She's good at video games. She's good at streaming. She's so helpful when you need her. She's a great friend as well.
That's right.
And like she's so tough when she needs to be, but she's
That's
also
right.
so cute and pretty and feminine and amazing. What
And
a
also-
cutie patootie.
Oh, I hated that.
Okay, die. She's always right. She's always right. She's
Get
always
out of my
correct.
face.
You're so sexy.
No. Can you wide it? Can you turn the camera around and make it so I'm not stretched out?
Only her though. I want to be stretched out. I want to be bigger.
Make sure I'm not stretched
I
out.
want to be stretched out then.
Ew, don't look at me like that. It's disgusting.
Ew, she's getting the discharge out of there. That shit has been wenstrating. By the way, Woody said that's not how you do it.
Woody, why don't you show me how it's done then?
Big boy.
On my vagina.
What? Look at his fucking face.
you
Look
stop?
at this fucking guy. He's just a
Please
chill guy.
Stop. Please stop. Please
That is
stop.
actually like
Please stop.
so uncomfortable.
Guys be trying to play Marvel Rivals, but be getting ghosted on Hinge. Boy, you worried about the wrong invisible woman.
Get me and Bogur, except like put him on my hand.
Incredible. Oh my god.
Was that good?
You just ate Bogur out.
Ew.
Sorry. Guys be trying to play Marvel Rivals, but their dad beats their ass. Boy, you worried about the wrong Punisher. You know how you should transition into this next clip?
Transition.
What?
Get that shit out of here.
Give your best Kirby impression, like open your mouth like suck. Yellow Bear should transition so it zooms really quickly in your mouth into the next clip. Trust me, he can do it and it'll look fire.
Okay, but don't try to use this editing for the vlog as a way to satisfy your freaky ass fetish.
Listen.
Whoa.
Let's go. Just start.
Hey, don't take your pants off.
No again, Doody. No. keep it inside. No.
Ready?
He's gonna kill it.
What if he doesn't do it?
That'd be even funnier.
If it's just me going, Bogur thought Daff Meow was Daphne Overwatch.
That's like XQ cow.
XQ cow. Actually, true, yeah.
Emma likes your sunglasses, Doody.
What about mine? What about mine?
Thank you, Emma. I got these
What about mine?
from a company called Meller online. They ship from Australia and they had a buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 and the deal made sense in my mind. But then when they arrived at my door, I had to pay so much in fucking customs fees and tariff taxes and all that bullshit that it ended up being more expensive than had I bought the 2 original price.
Wait, who?
Huh?
Who?
Do you want me to do?
Who? Who asked? Dab on them haters! Dab!
She's wafting her armpit sweat.
Ew.
You're right, it's trapped on all the hair.
I will hurt you.
Ni hao.
I want to kill him.
Me Overwatch.
Jimbo, how chill do we look?
Is that your
Jimbo,
squad?
How
Is that your squad?
how chill do we look?
No. Oh.
Do we look so chill? Oh, sorry. Go ahead. That is so embarrassing. Wait a second. For the, and then it'll look. No. Oh my god, that baby panic. Hello. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. I couldn't remember how to say bye in German.
Did you say ni hao?
Yeah. Finally.
That's kind of fucking insane, no?
I mean, it's the equivalent of someone walking past and saying konnichiwa, yeah, but what do I expect? It's a white guy, drunk white guy.
No, well, Germans are known to not be racist. Historically.
I can't
Walter.
stop imitating Walt Jr.
Oh, Walter.
Mom, why do you have to be such a bitch?
Yeah, you got it. You nailed it.
I know.
Yeah, maybe you had cerebral palsy in a past life. Me when I've scored and they haven't in a game of soccer.
1-0. So we're talking about which one of us would be the easiest to rob. And the consensus, I know, I know, but we want to simulate what it's like to get robbed.
Can you guess whose idea this was?
Oh, there's a brown man. Please give me your side, please. Please, it's so
Yes, I do. Yes, I
Please.
Dude, you're begging so much, man. Yeah, you can have it. That's fine. Give me your shit.
No,
Give me your shit now.
I don't want to.
Mog. Actually, just fucking mog. How do you feel after robbing him?
Violated, honestly.
How do you feel after getting robbed?
Did he say goodbye to the vlog?
Goodbye, vlog. It was so nice.
Oh, sorry, I couldn't go on.
That's all.
It was so nice to what?
So nice to see y'all.
That's parasocial and also doesn't even make sense because this video would be
Your
out.
hair looks so nice. Bye. Bye, guys. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and be awesome. Okay.